Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry if you guys can't see anything. It's a little dark out because I've been working on my i600 over there. I've decided I'm gonna restore it. So in this video, I'll be taking the loader off and backing it in the garage here, and I don't know what else I'll do in this video, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. Probably cut the fenders off or something because I'm getting new fenders. They're all beat up. But if you guys like today's video, make sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button so you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video. So, yep, let's get into it. Shoe's falling off. I bet you guys what? I bet that's the first time that loader's came off in about 60 years when it was built. It cranks over like on the don't even take one crank to crank it over. That's why you buy an Alice Chalmers. They'll always be good. So step number 2 of this process, since I got the loader off, is getting the loader brackets off. And on this particular tractor, it's industrial, so the whole tractor is heavy duty. And then the loader brackets here, they're filled with oil. Here's the drain plug. Here's the fill plug. So right now I'm about to drain the oil, and what you don't want to do is drop this drain plug in the bucket. No one asked me how many times I've done that. It sucks. And you try to get your hand out of there as quick as possible. See, it's already leaking. See that? And it's just gushing out of there. So I hope I don't need more than 10 gallons because I only have 2 lids off right now. That one's being a meanie. So I'll get back to you guys if it overflows on me. So as you guys can tell, it did not overflow on me. Just a little mess. This 5-gallon bucket is full. So that should be done all empty by morning. And then the loader brackets should be able to come off, but have a little work before I can get them off. The previous owner welded right here on both sides, on the top, down the sides. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of grinding to get those free. So before I do that project, I'll probably cut the fenders off and this dumb little headrest thingy it's got on here, because these fenders are all beat up and they're supposed to be all straight. So I'm getting new fenders, and then I won't have this headache rack thing here. And this is what you hook your backhoe to, so that'll be staying on. And I'm just pretty much stripping the tractor down and sandblasting it, and then gonna paint it all up, get all new rubber for it. And these rear rims are junk because it has calcium in them, so they just leak. So I got big plans coming for this tractor, and I hope you guys stay tuned, because I'll be posting a lot of videos of this restoration project, because I have a loader over here that will be getting painted and sandblasted too. And then at the farm, I got the backhoe I bought for this tractor. It's an Allis-Chalmers backhoe that is properly made for this tractor, so I'm gonna restore it too. So I have a whole gig going here, and it'll be my first ever restored tractor. So I hope you guys stay tuned and follow this journey with me. Thanks for watching.